Features used in plants. Leaf venation is either parallel veins or network veins. The following are photographs outlining the main features used in identification of plants. Leaf arrangement, alternate or opposite. Leaf type, simple or compound. Leaf color, green or not green. Leaf venation, parallel or network. Leaf shape, broad or narrow. And leaf margin, serrated or dentate. Play the animations below to view the common features used in identification of plants. Constructing a dichotomous key. First step involves looking at the organisms and picking a single distinguishing characteristic that separates the organisms into two groups. Label the two groups as 1A and 1B. Then continue picking a new distinguishing characteristic to separate organism in 1A until each organism has its own separate set of characteristics and is fully identified. Then repeat the same procedure to 1B. Let us demonstrate how to construct a dichotomous key using the following organisms. In plants, Tradescantia, Cassiasiamea, Zea mays, beans, jacaranda. In animals, spider, dragonfly, termite, millipede, and centipede. The photographs below show plants and animals to be used in the construction of the dichotomous key. Examples of dichotomous key. Play the animations to see the identification of living organisms using a dichotomous key.
Go to 1A, 1B, simple, compound, go to 4, 1B, 2A, leaf compound, Tradescantia, A, leaf purple, B, leaf Tradescantia, go to 3B, 2B, leaf with parallel venation, 3A, leaf with parallel venation, parallel. Example of a dichotomous key in plants. 1A, leaf simple, go to 2. 1B, leaf compound, go to 4. 2A, leaf purple, Tradescantia. 2B, leaf green, go to 3. 3A, leaf with parallel venation, Zea mays. 3B, leaf with network venation, Phaseolus vulgaris. 4A, leaf pinnate, Cassiasiamea. 4B, leaf bipinnate, jacaranda. Example of a dichotomous key in plants.
The following are steps that can be followed to identify the plants in the key. Steps 1A, 2A, identity, Tradescantia. Steps 1A, 2B, identity, Zea mays. Steps 1A, 2B, 3B, identity, Phaseolus vulgaris. Steps 1B, 4A, Cassiasiamea. Steps 1B, 4B, identity, jacaranda. Example of a dichotomous key in animals. 1A, animals with wings, dragonfly. 1B, animal without wings, go to 2. 2A, animal with 3 pairs of legs, termite. 2B, animal with more than 3 pairs of legs, go to 3. 3A, animal with 1 pair of legs per segment, centipede. 3B, animal with 2 pairs of legs per segment, millipede. The following are steps that can be followed to identify the animals in the key. Steps 1B,
identity dragonfly. Steps 1B, 2A, identity termite. Steps 1B, 2B, 3A, identity centipede. Steps 1B, 2B, 3B, identity millipede.